How to bleed your clutch on your 97.2 Cayman, Boxster S, Cayman R, or Spider. First thing you're gonna do is come up here, pop the front hood, and pop this little cover off. Take your little brake fluid reservoir, open them up. You're gonna go ahead and buy a Motive power bleeder. I will link this in the description of the video below. And take some of your brake fluid, and you're gonna pour these bottles into this open container. All right, guys, straight from the Porsche factory instructions themselves. What we're gonna do is hook up this power bleeder to the brake fluid reservoir, and then we're going to pressurize this container to 1.3 bar. After that, we are gonna go to under the car, this picture right here, and we're gonna go crack the bleeder nipple, and we're then going to, with our hand, move the pedal to the fully depressed position. We're gonna do this by hand. We're gonna let the brake fluid rinse through for 30 seconds. Afterwards, we're going to activate the pedal manually, very slowly for another 60 seconds, about 10 to 15 pedal strokes. We're gonna leave the pedal in a normal position, and once this filling period has elapsed, check that no more bubbles appear at the bleeder valve, and then close the bleeder valve itself. We're then going to disconnect the bleeder device, check the brake fluid level, top it off, and we're all done. Then we're going to go activate the clutch pedal slowly 5 times, and then we're going to fit the cover on the brake fluid reservoir. All right, we've popped the top off the bleeder, the reservoir here for our brake fluid. Now I'm going to go screw this attachment onto the fluid reservoir itself. Once that's secure, we're going to go ahead and take this guy, put him on our power bleeder, just like this, all right? And then we're going to go pump this up to 20 PSI. All right, guys, we cracked the nipple right there. I'll show you my little configuration, but the clutch pedal is down. We did that by hand, very slowly, over to the bottom. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. And then we're now gonna go pull up on the pedal very slowly. Okay, right here. You can see here that we've got a little bit low on the pressure, so we're gonna go re-inflate this and do the pedal around 10 times. Make sure this never runs dry. All right, we went ahead and pushed on the clutch pedal very slowly in and out 10 times. It got firmer as we went. Next step. All right, we have a little collection vessel right here. Additionally, we went ahead and closed bleeder nipple. The contraption I'm using for this is I'm using a 1/4 inch on a swivel, which goes to a little extension, and that goes to an 11 millimeter crow's foot, and that has allowed me to get in there and make and tighten and loosen that nut as needed. So now that we've done our 10 pedal strokes, we went ahead and tightened this nut so that no more fluid comes out. All right, at this point, after we drained the fluid out and done that procedure, the 10 clutch pedal presses, we went ahead and tightened this bleeder nipple. Now we're gonna go ahead and clip this back in, as well as the blue clutch line right there. And now we're going to take our little rubber stopper right here, and we're just going to go ahead and push it on to that nipple. All right, go ahead and disconnect this fitting right here, and just make sure that your brake fluid is topped up below the maximum. If there's too much in here, you can always use a turkey baster and suck some out. All right, guys, you can probably see that my fluid reservoir here is a little bit too tall, so I'm going to use my little vacuum pump to suck out some fluid until we reach the correct indicated line where it says max right there. All right, guys, that's going to conclude the clutch bleeding procedure for our 97.2 Porsche. If you have any questions at all, put in the comment below. All products used in this video will also be linked in the video description. Appreciate a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate a super thanks if this has helped you out. I'll also leave a link to some PDFs as well in the description for some visual aid, and we'll see you next time.